Okay, we're recording. Tell me what's going on.
Okay, this is a simulation of the combustion chamber, which is actually buried in the ground. What we have here is basically the trench of bricks, or maybe even better yet, insulated bricks. And this is the start of the chimney that goes up inside the kiln. This is connected to this chimney here, which is inside the kiln. There's a little grate here made like stair steps, and the walls of the kiln are right here. That's this wall is right here. So this is a hopper then. This can actually be removable, but if you were filling this with rice husks, the rice husks would fill this hopper, and then there would be a little metal door that slides down here that changes the opening right here for the rice husks to slide down on the grill. As the rice husks burn out on the grill, more sawdust falls in, so it's a self-feeder, or more rice husks fall in, or whatever, any particle size chunks that can feed down this hopper, can self-feed, will work. Also, if you adjust this grate maybe a little bit flatter, you could use mineral coal, or you could adjust it a little more vertical and have chunks of wood or logs feeding in. As the ends of the logs burn out, then they fall down. This the flames come up from this trench and come up in here and come up into this chimney. This is like basically a downfeed or J rocket stove, and the gases come up here, and then they come out here.
Just keep going. And
then they double back down here, and this is a grate of bricks covering a plenum, and that plenum basically collects the hot gases after they've cooked the bricks, and then there is a connection between the plenum and the plenum of the next kiln, which is identical to this, and this is the start of the chimney of the next. So the gases go through here, and the plenum distributes it, so the gases flow up through the bricks that you want to dry, and then after they go up, they come back down into the chimney, come back down, and this is a connection between the rocket chamber chimney and the tall outside chimney. And the outside chimney is what provides the draft to make, all this air movement. Okay?
So where are bricks that are being fired, and where are the green bricks?
Okay. The bricks that are being fired are stacked up on this brick grate, and then basically they fill the kiln up to this point. And then there is a dome of bricks, or an arch of bricks, that seals off the top of the kiln. And so the heat comes out of the rocket stove chimney, comes out here, goes out over here, and goes down through the bricks, and is collected at the bottom, where it goes over. And now this is where you stack your bricks that are to dry. And it's identical with this. The hot gases now come up through the bricks. They're distributed in the plenum underneath here. They come up, and then they go into the chimney, and they go down, and they go through here and back up. And the reason that they go this way is these connections from the kilns to the chimney have little control dampers, and this one is open so that the gases flow. This one is closed so the gases can't short circuit to the chimney.
Okay, that enough?
I think so.